Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you some of the new beauty bits that I bought lately because I can't stop. I can't. I've tried, I just keep buying them. So I want to show you some of the new things that I have got. These are all beauty products that I have tried and I'm really enjoying using, and so I want to show you guys today. So let's go ahead and get started. The first is Outtakes. So my nails are really annoying in that they will grow and they will get long and feel strong, and I'm able to get like a nice shape on them, and then they'll just start breaking, and once one breaks they all break. Sometimes it's quite painful and they split down quite low, and it even talking about it makes me feel a little bit sick inside. So I've been using other nail products, I guess, that I suppose I was seeing results for a short period of time, but not long term, and that's when the splitting would start or anything like that. And after speaking with my aunt, who is a beautician, she was basically saying that the nail products I was using were essentially hardeners, and all they were doing is hardening my nails, but they were also making them more prone to splitting. She recommended to me Outtakes. I have the Formula 2 kit, as you can see here. You can get it online. It's pretty easy to get this set, or you can get the individual bits, but what I have here is I have the Outtakes Formula 2. So Formula 2 helps with soft peeling, bitten, weak or thin nails. I hate talking about nails, so it's really hard for me, but like I need to. Then there is the cuticle and skin gel, which instantly begins to help soften and improve cuticles and skin that needs nourishment. And then this Outtakes oil therapy, which replenishes skin's natural oils while sealing in moisture and softening cuticles. So I'll show you what's in this. So this first thing here is the cuticle and skin gel, so you can put that on. What they actually recommend doing is putting it on and then putting on gloves overnight and then letting that kind of work its magic. I haven't done that yet, but I've been working on the other bits first. So this here, this little bottle, is the Outtakes Formula 2. Aha, gotcha. They have different formulas depending on what condition your skin is, your nails are in. So mine are weaker, or they split when they do eventually get strong. They also have formulas for people who have naturally strong nails, and it goes, so there's 4 levels, and the 4th one is for really problematic nails. So have a look at their website online and see what one you reckon suits your nail type. And then as well in here is the oil therapy. So what I've been doing is, and what you're supposed to do is put this on every single day, one layer every single day for a week, then take it off and start again. You can put polish on over it. As you can see, I have like a pale pink polish on, and then what you do is, while this is still wet, you go and you put a layer of this on as well, all around your cuticle and on your nail as well, and it seeps in with it. I found this really good so far. I'm still early days, but I definitely noticed that when I don't have any nail polish on, my nails just look a lot healthier. And the reason being is that this has actual nail protein in it. So a lot of the time when I was using these other nail products and they were just hardening my nails, and it just gave me the impression that it was doing good, it actually wasn't. Your nail needs a certain amount of protein as well to really be healthy, as opposed to just being strong. So this is adding the protein in where I need it. So I'm going to continue to use these religiously and let you know how I get on, but so far I'm really liking it. I can feel and see a difference in my nails already, and I've only been using it for a short period of time, and I will definitely be having like a little home spa day with this cuticle and skin gel because I need it. It allows me to do this now. I love when my nails get to that length. Yeah, so really happy with this product. Definitely, if you're struggling with your nails, struggling to grow them, make them feel strong and healthy, this is the kind of thing that you should be going for. Okay, next up, I am a long time Bumble and Bumble girl. Love Bumble and Bumble. Their surf spray is my favorite thing. I don't actually have it in today. I don't know why I'm doing that. Their surf spray is one of my favorite things, but I've definitely found since coloring my hair more, I need a little bit more oil in it. What I use is the Ouai wave spray, which I am obsessed with. I actually have this in another video, which is how to get soft beachy waves in less than 10 minutes. I will leave the description down below. So I go between this and I go between the Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray, but this is beautiful. At first I was like, I don't want to really put an oil in my hair because I would have naturally oily hair, but I find that when it's in and around the ends and around here, it's totally fine. So this is my hair. It was washed 2 days ago, I want to say. I've slept in it. In the mornings I get up and I put a little spritz of this in and just kind of work it through my hair. I really like this undone look to my hair. I'm not one of those people who has beautiful soft bouncy curls every day. It tends to look a little bit more beachy. I don't brush my hair either. I just kind of work my fingers through it. Is that really bad? Have I made a lot of people sad now by saying that? This is amazing. But what I also started using as well as that, because I'm all about, as you can see, the texture, is the texturizing hairspray, also from Ouai. So these are the two. Texturizing hairspray. It is, they say it's like a dry shampoo and hairspray had a baby. This ultra lightweight hairspray that builds incredible volume and texture, packed with volcanic minerals to absorb oil and refresh hair. I mean, what else do you want? I have used this a little bit. I have to say, it has like a weird smell. Not weird, but kind of like baby powdery. Maybe it's with a volcanic minerals. I don't know. Super light mist, like, see that? Really light, nice and light. I've used a little bit in my hair today. It definitely was flatter, but it's given it that kind of zhuzh in the front here, so I'm happy with that. I really like this product. It's really, really lightweight, and it doesn't, you know the way with hairspray, sometimes you put it in and you're like, oh lovely, my hair crunches now. That's a new feature. It doesn't do that. It's not sticky, it's not crunchy, it's just really lightweight, really nice in the hair. Highly recommend texturizing hairspray, especially if you want that more undone, messy look. This is legit. Oh, okay, so if you were as lazy as me when it comes to makeup, like, eyeshadow is just, it's a bit stressful. Like, I can fire on my foundation pretty quickly, all that kind of stuff, but when it comes to my eyes, I'm like, oh god. So I've got two new products that have really helped me speed up the whole thing. The first one is Charlotte Tilbury, and it's the Eyes to Mesmerize in Betty. This is a cream formula for your eyes in this really nice coppery browny color. You honestly need a dab and just swipe it on your eyes and your eyeshadow is done. So I just get a little bit of my finger, swipe it on, and it has this really nice, it's really, really creamy, this really nice soft coppery color, really nice color. And I will literally smudge it all over my eyelid and smudge a little bit on the underneath of my eyes, and it is just so nice. So I don't wear makeup in work because I'm too lazy in the mornings, and look, everyone in work can see me without makeup at this stage. It really doesn't matter. I will start trying though again. But I do bring a couple of things in my makeup bag for if I'm going out after work. Sorry again, everyone in work, I make no effort. But this is one of the things that I always have in my bag, because you literally swipe it on and go. Like, eyes done, let's go. Just a little bit of mascara and then the next project that I'm going to talk about, and you're good to go. It's a no-brainer. This is the second thing that I have started using, and if you know me and have seen my eyes, you will know that I cannot do a cat eye to save my life. It's not a talent I possess. It's beyond me. It's just like, no, I can't. However, this has helped massively, and I feel like I'm starting to get an idea. Like, I'm 28, I should know how to do this by now, but I just don't. So I feel like I'm starting to get a better idea on how to do it, and this has really helped. So this is the MAC Brush Black Brush Stroke Liner, and it's a liquid eyeliner. It's like kind of like a marker or felt tip or whatever you want to call it. Do that hand thing. Do you see it? So it's really, really fine. I find that literally if I just put it on the edge of my eye and drag it in, it kind of just works. So I don't know, it's working for me, and if it works for me, it should work for literally any other person on the planet. So between this and just a lick of mascara, like, I'm good to go with my eyes very, very quickly now. So thank God for MAC and Charlotte Tilbury, because my eyes were a mess prior to these two products. The next thing, the people in work will know this for sure because I don't come in with makeup on, but I have a lot of redness on my skin. I have a lot of pigmentation. I have rosacea. It's blotchy, but it gets worse when I exercise, when I get embarrassed, like anything. Obviously, like the redness just heightens. If I'm in a hot climate, it gets worse. I've been using the Stila One Step, so if you've seen it, it's a really cool bottle. It's got like the purple, green, and the kind of peachy color running through it. I have found that very good, but it doesn't get rid of all the redness. And it's really hard to find a concealer that you can put on your skin and it's concealing without looking really cakey. So what I actually purchased was the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Redness, and it's a color correcting cream. I have this in Transforming Natural Beige. It's this little pot, and look how cute the inside of the packaging is. You know, some days you just need a little encouragement from a product. So it's this really nice cream that I have started putting on my skin. So I put it over moisturized skin, and I definitely have found I can literally wear this by itself and nothing else. It's a really nice product. It feels really lightweight on the skin. It doesn't feel like I'm clogging my pores or anything like that. It wears really nicely throughout the day. I'm really liking it. The fact that I can wear this and nothing else is brilliant, because it means that I'm saving my concealer and my foundation for days when I really need better coverage, or you know, I want to wear a full face of makeup. I don't really want to wear makeup every day. I've definitely found that my skin texture has been better while I haven't been wearing makeup in work, so I'm very reluctant to go back to wearing makeup every single day. So this product is brilliant because it allows me to just cover up that redness and not feel self-conscious about it, while also not having to wear a full face of makeup every day. So I am loving this from It Cosmetics. This product I've actually been using for a little while, but I'm obsessed with it, and it ties in nicely to another product that I'm going to show you, so I'm going to show you again. This is the MAC Strobe Cream, and this is in Gold Light. I love having a golden glow. Like, I went through such an obsession with Gold Deposit. Like, I was just like, yes, everywhere. It went everywhere. I looked like a shiny gold Oscar. Like, I was just, it was so over the top. So I pared it back, but I do like having that golden glow. For me, I cannot really highlight, and I just want like a nice light sheen to make it look like my skin is naturally healthy, which it isn't there yet. This cream is amazing. It's not tinted, as in it's not going to give you any coverage, but it has kind of gold flecks in it that aren't intense. It's quite fine, but it just adds this lovely glow to your skin. If you watch Desi Perkins, she is one of my favorite beauty YouTubers. She puts it just on the high points of her face. I tend to kind of put it a little bit more liberally on my face because I'm lazy and I don't want to just focus on certain areas. I just want to be like, we're done here. It gives like a lovely gorgeous sheen to your skin. So I put this on, and then I've been putting on the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Redness, and then foundation and concealer, which I have on now. And when you are close to my face and near the light and whatever, it still shines through all those products. It's a brilliant product. Definitely try out the MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light. It is amazing. I know it also comes in like more of a pinky tone, but because I'm like allergic to pinks and reds on my face because of this redness, I always will reach for the gold. So if you're using the regular MAC Strobe Cream at the moment and it runs out, definitely give Gold Light a try over the regular one, which leads me into this next product, which I literally saw and ordered the day I saw it. I am a massive fan of MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Spray. This stuff is amazing. If you're looking to just kind of let all your makeup set really nicely on your skin, have it all melt together so it's not like here's my concealer and here's where my foundation starts, this Fix Plus Spray is just the best way to go. It's so good for refreshing your skin. If you find that you have like dryness or anything like that, this is the thing to be spraying on your skin. But what they've come out with is Fix Plus Gold Light. Oh my god, can you deal? Like, so this is regular Fix Plus for comparison. So you can see that it has just like more of a golden sheen to regular Fix Plus. I am obsessed. I love it so much. Like, I wish you could see how it's like a pearlescent goldy. Oh my god, it's amazing. These two together, like Gold Light, this is my Gold Deposit dreams, like right here. but subtle. What I will say is you have to give it a good shake because the goldy bits kind of collect at the bottom. It sounds like it kind of spray paints because it's got a little marble in it. So these two together are like heaven for me. Heaven. So between like the redness, and I've like fixed that now with the redness cream from It Cosmetics, and then I worked out how to do my eyes, and this helped my skin, and then I got my hair sorted out and my nails. I'm so happy. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. Those are my new beauty favorites that I'm obsessed with. Let me know if you try any of those products or if you already have them, and if there's any other beauty products that you think that I should try out, please let me know. I'm always looking for new beauty products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Nail, what's focus, like a game that me and my camera play. They have different formulas. Oh my god. Oh, I knocked it over. If my camera decides to, yeah, hold on. Okay, come on camera, here you go. Like, where has this been all my life? I don't know if I'm in focus or not as well. Hold on. No, come back to me. Come on, come on. I don't know how to describe it. Old bottle, 12 inches away from the face. It's like here when I spray it. I am definitely not a mua. I am always looking for new beauty products. Beauty products? Beauty products. That was awful.